Welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video course, learn PyCharm and its concepts. PyCharm is an IDE to run Python programs with ease. It provides the programmers with code inspections, smart code completion, quick fixes, code refactoring, and other features. It is developed by JetBrains and comes in professional and community editions. In this course, we have discussed the open source PyCharm Community Edition, which is free to install. We have covered the following lessons with live running examples. Let's start with the first lesson. In this video, we will learn what is PyCharm, its usage, and the editions available. Let's begin. So PyCharm is basically a Python IDE that allows you to run Python programs easily with some features like code inspections, smart code completion, code refactoring, and others. Why it is popular? It basically provides support for modern web development frameworks also like Django and Flask. It also supports the Python libraries which is useful for machine learning and data science, that is Pandas, Numpy, Matplotlib, SciPy, etc. With that, it also supports cross technology development using TypeScript, JavaScript, your HTML, Angular, Node.js, even SQL. PyCharm basically comes in two editions. The first one is PyCharm Professional Edition, which is paid, and the second is the free one, that is free and open source. We'll be working on the PyCharm Community Edition, which is free to download and work around. So guys, in this video we saw what is PyCharm and what are the features and which all editions are available. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will see how we can easily install the current PyCharm version on Windows 10. For PyCharm we need Python, so at first we will download and install the current Python version. With that, we will also see how we can connect PyCharm and Python. We will also run a sample Python project on PyCharm at the end. Let's begin. At first, we will download and install the current Python version. At first, go to the web browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. On Google, type Python. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. The first one, python.org. Click on it. After clicking, you have now reached the official website. Here it is, python.org. Just keep the mouse cursor on downloads. On keeping, herein always the current version is visible. So the current version is Python 3.10.3. Just click on it to download. The download started. It's only 27 MB. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, we have successfully downloaded the exe file. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. Now the installation started. Here it is, Python 3.10.3. At first, click on add Python 3.10 to path. Now click on customize installation. Here in optional features are visible. It will install pip. I told you pip is used to install and manage Python packages. It will also install IDLE. IDLE is an IDE to run Python programs. We will see it later. It will install the test suite as well as the PyLauncher. Keep the default. Click on next. Here in advanced option are visible. I'll select install for all users. Now the following is the path wherein our Python will get installed. We will see it later. Click on install. So guys, the setup is successful. Click on close. Now herein you can see we installed it under C drive, program files, Python 3.10. Remember, Python got created inside it. Here it is. Here is our Python 3.10.3 path. So guys, we successfully installed the current Python version. Let us verify. Go to start, type cmd, click on open to open the command prompt. So we opened it, type the command python space -- version and press enter. Herein you can see we successfully installed Python 3.10.3. Now guys, let us go to the web browser again and download and install PyCharm free version open source. Herein type PyCharm. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. So here is the official website. Click on download straight away. After clicking download, two versions for PyCharm are visible. The first one is professional and second is community. the following is the paid version, and this is an open source free version. So I'll click on download to download it. So the download started for PyCharm Community open source version, 359 MB. Let's wait for a few seconds. So guys, we have successfully downloaded the PyCharm open source exe file. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. The installation started. Click on next. Herein you can see the installation location is visible. PyCharm will get installed in the program files and JetBrains folder. We will see this later. It will take 1.2 GB. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse. I'll click on next. The location looks fine. The default is fine. Herein you can see the installation options are visible. Herein you can create a desktop shortcut. You can also add open folder as project. You can directly open a project in PyCharm. And that's it. Click on next. It will also create a start menu folder. Click on install. It is installing now. So guys, the setup completed. Click on finish. After clicking finish, you can directly click here to open PyCharm. I'll just double click here and open it. So guys, the PyCharm started. Click on new project directly. Herein you can see it will create a new project. You can name the project from here. Let's say my project name is Amit project. It will get saved in the following location. Now we need to also set up an environment. So it by default went for new virtual environment, which is fine. Okay, the project location will be the following, and it automatically took the base interpreter, which is Python 3.10, which we just installed. It automatically took it. Okay, so we have connected PyCharm with Python. Now click on create. Here it is guys. Let us close this. Now we have created our Amit project folder and the main.py file got created. Guys, you can see indexing complete. So now here is a project. Here is the main.py default file. I'll right click and add a new file. New. Click on Python file. Herein just type the name of the file and press enter. On pressing enter, it will automatically convert to .py, that is Python file, because it got selected by default. Press enter. Now here it is. Now let us print something quickly. Go to file, click on settings, click on settings. After clicking, you can see the settings is visible. To change the font, you can directly go to editor, click here. Now click on font here, and it is right now 13. Change it to let's say 18. Click on apply and then OK. Now you can see the font increased. Now we need to run it. You can directly go to run and click on run here, or click on run here. You can also use Alt Shift plus F10 keyboard keys. The best way I consider is to just right click and click on run example. Here you can see we successfully ran our first Python program. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install the current Python and PyCharm version. We also ran a sample project on PyCharm. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install PyCharm IDE on Mac. So for that, first we need Python. So we have installed Python. Go to the Spotlight search. Let us verify. Type terminal. Click on it. Now let us type Python 3 -- version and press enter. You can see we installed Python 3.9.6, which is the current version. If you don't know how to install Python on Mac, you can refer the link in the description of this video. So we have installed Python successfully. Now we need to install PyCharm. For that, go to the browser. We have reached the browser. Here and type PyCharm. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website
is visible, JetBrains.com. JetBrains owns PyCharm. Click on it. Now herein you can download. Click on download. Now you can see the version for Mac OS automatically highlighted. Herein you can see it got highlighted. Professional version and community version is visible. Community one is completely free and open source, so we will download the same. Click on download to download it. Now the download should start. Herein you can see it's 480 MB. You need to wait for a few minutes. So guys, we have installed the DMG file of PyCharm for Mac. Now double click on it. Minimize this. Now you can see you need to drag this here. Just take this and drag this under applications. That's it. Now you can see under applications PyCharm is visible. Double click on it. Click here. Yes, I want to open it. Now the installation started. I confirm that I accept the agreement. This is the agreement. You can read this. Click on continue. Data sharing, you can send it. Now it will start. PyCharm 2021.2. Now you can see we have started PyCharm. So herein you can create your new project straight away. I'll click on new project. Herein it is asking for the name of your new project. Herein you can see I've mentioned this name. You can also change it, and let's say I'll give the name Amit project. Here it is asking for interpreter, new environment. So this is very crucial. It automatically took the Python 3.9 path, which I've shown that where we installed Python. It automatically took this path. I was having multiple paths like Python 2.7 also, but it took Python 3.9. You can change from here, but mine is completely fine. So I have set the environment. This is why Python installation is important before installing PyCharm. Okay, so you need nothing. You can create a welcome script. I'll just uncheck it because we are creating a sample, a basic project. So herein you can see the path. It's under users Amit PyCharm projects. So our project will get saved here. I'll just copy this path, users Amit PyCharm project. From the desktop you can straight away go, click on go to folder, and you can paste this path here. Herein you can see. So this is our PyCharm projects folder. Click on go, and you have reached here. You can see it will now create it. Now I'll just click on create, and it will create it. So herein we have created it. You can see now the path, you can see the same. It's the same. You can right click and straight away create a Python file. Let's say my name of the file is demo. You don't need to mention the extension because we straight away clicked on creating a Python file. So I'll just type demo and press enter. Here it is. Now it has created a Python file. Now let us run something quickly. Let's say I typed Amit things. That's it. Now I'll just go to file and save all. Now to run it, I'll just right click on the file and click on run demo, and you can see we successfully ran our first Python program. So this was our program. I'll minimize this. Now you can see under our path, I told you PyCharm project, we created Amit project. This is the folder and this is our demo.py file. Here it is. You can see demo.py file. If you'll open this, let's say I'll open it on the text edit, the same small code will be visible. So you can straight away set PyCharm here by right clicking and keep in dock. It will get saved here now. So guys, in this video we saw how we can download and install PyCharm. For PyCharm we need Python. So we downloaded and installed PyCharm successfully. We also ran our first program by creating our first project on PyCharm. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.
In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Python as well as PyCharm IDE on Ubuntu 20.04. So PyCharm is one of the most popular Python IDEs, and if you want to run Python programs, this is the first choice. Now let's first see how to install Python on Ubuntu 20.04. For that, go to terminal, click here. Here type terminal, click on the terminal. Now here, let's write the command sudo apt space install, then space Python and press enter. Python 3 I should write, press enter. Enter the password for root. Press enter again. So it installed the Python version. Now let's install pip. Type sudo apt install python 3 -pip. Now press enter. Do you wish to continue? Only 27 MB? Yes. Press Y and press enter. Now guys, we have installed pip. Now type pip 3 and press enter and let's see what is visible. If this is visible, that means you have successfully installed. So guys, we saw how we can install Python. Now let's see how we can easily download and install PyCharm and create our first Python project as well. For that, go to the browser. Here type PyCharm. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. So JetBrains.com owns PyCharm. So the same is visible here. The official website is JetBrains.com. Click on it. Now we have reached the official website. Here you need to click on download. On clicking downloads, you can see two versions are visible. To download PyCharm, Professional is a paid one, but we'll go for community version. It is free and open source, so click on download here. Now the download should start. Now you can see the tar file is visible, PyCharm community version. I'll just click on save and OK here to save it. It's for 386 MB. Now the downloading started. Here you can see the progress. So guys, now you can see we have downloaded PyCharm community version. Now right click and open contain link folder. It got downloaded in the downloads folder. Minimize this. Now here you can see it's a tar file, compressed file. Now just right click and extract here. It is getting extracted. Now extracted, double click. Here is the bin, double click and go to this arrow and open in terminal because we want to reach the bin path. So here we have reached the location, bin path of the PyCharm downloader. Now to start installing the IDE, press dot slash and the sh file, which is the following file pycharm.sh, pycharm.sh shell file. Press enter. Now you can see the installer started. Let's minimize rest of them. Click on I confirm. This is the privacy policy and click on continue. Don't send. These are basic settings. Now the installer will begin. Here it is. Let's go for the light version. You can also go for the dark version. Click on next. Here if you want to create a launcher script, you can create it. I'll leave it as it is and click on next. Now here the featured plugins are visible. If you want to install them, you can install from here. Let's leave them because we are going for simple installation. Click on start using PyCharm. Now here it is. Now let's click on new project to create a new project. Now here is the path of our new project. It will create PyCharm projects folder. Under that, our project will get saved with Python project name. It's under home directory, Amit folder. If you want to change the location or path, click here. I'll keep the same. For environment, let's go for existing interpreter because we just installed Python. Here, nothing is visible. Click on three dots. Now here, go to system interpreter. Here you can see the version is visible. Click on OK here. That's it. Here is the Python which we just installed, the Python version. Let's leave this. The welcome script, let's leave this and click on create. Now our project will get created. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can see our project got created. Here is the project directory. Now let's right click and new. Create a new Python file. Let's name the file. Let's say the name is Amit and it's a Python file. Press enter. Now amit.py file will get created because .py is Python extension. Here you can see. Now let's print a simple line in Python. This looks fine now. Now go to file and save. Save all. Now let's run it. Click on go to run and click on run here. Configuration, click on it. Here just click on run. Now you can see first Python program on PyCharm. That means we have successfully ran our first Python program on PyCharm on Ubuntu 20.04. In this way you can create new projects. So here is the path of the file we created. If you remember, PyCharm projects folder got created. Under that, default project Python project got created and we created amit.py Python file. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily install Python and then PyCharm IDE. After that we also created our first project and ran it on PyCharm. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily configure Python interpreter on PyCharm IDE. So herein you can see I started my PyCharm IDE. Directly it is showing a message that invalid Python interpreter selected for the project. Why? Because we haven't configured Python interpreter. That means we haven't connected PyCharm with Python. So it's very easy to connect. I just installed the current Python version. Let's check. Go to CMD, click on open to open the command prompt. Herein type Python space hyphen version and press enter. You can see we installed the current Python 3.10.3 version. So now to configure Python interpreter, that means to connect Python with PyCharm so that we can run our first program. Click on configure Python interpreter. Click on add interpreter. Herein you can see we have reached the add interpreter section. So herein you can see you can directly click on the existing environment. Okay, click on the three dots. Herein go to the folder wherein you installed Python. We installed under C drive. Here it is, Python 3.10. Go inside and herein just select the python.exe. Click on OK. And we have selected python.exe, make available to all projects. It's fine. Click on OK. Now the error will vanish. In the bottom you can see it is updating the interpreter and connecting. Wait for a few seconds. So guys, we have connected it. Here in the below it is written Python 3.10. That means we have connected it. Now let us verify. You can straight away create a new project. Let's say I'll create a new project. Go to file, click on new project and herein type the name. I'll type Amit project and I'll click on OK. It automatically took our Python 3.10 interpreter which we have just set here. Click on create. Let's create in this window only. And herein we have created it. Now let us go to the project, Amit project, right click and click on Python file directly. At the name of the file, I'll type demo and I'll just press enter. It has selected Python file. It will automatically save it as demo.py, that is Python file. Press enter. Here it is. Now let us quickly print something. First Python program. Okay. Now directly you can go to file and save all. Click on run and click on run, and you can directly click run here, or what I prefer is just right click here and click on run demo. And here it is, we have printed first Python program, Studiopedia Amit things, you can see. So we have successfully connected our Python with PyCharm. Herein you can see the path of the project is visible. Let us see. Here it is, C drive, users, HP. Here in PyCharm projects, and the following is our Amit project we just created. You can see the date and time, and herein we have a demo.main file. Right click and open it. Here it is, and here is our Python program which we created here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily connect Python with PyCharm IDE. That is how we can configure the Python interpreter on PyCharm. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can install Numpy package on PyCharm IDE. So open your PyCharm IDE. We created a demo project, Python project, and the code is visible here. Now let us go to file to install packages. Go to file and click on settings. Now guys, click on project, select it, and just click on Python interpreter from here. Now you can see Python interpreter is visible. All the packages on this PyCharm IDE is visible. So what we need guys, we need Numpy. So we already installed pip. So we will now install Numpy. Click on plus here. On clicking plus, all the available packages are visible. Here in type Numpy. Here it is Numpy. On clicking it, you can see it is a fundamental package for array computing with Python, and the current version is visible. Now I'll click on install package. You want to install to user site package directory. You can select this and click on install package. You need an internet connection for this. It will take some seconds to install. Now you can see guys, package Numpy installed successfully. You can now click on cross, and here Numpy should be visible. Here it is visible. So guys, in this video we saw how we can install Numpy successfully on our PyCharm IDE. The same is visible here. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can install Pandas package on PyCharm IDE. So PyCharm IDE is visible. Here is our sample project we created, Python project, and here is the code for it. Now let us install the package. Go to file, click on settings. On reaching settings, you can see Python project is visible. Click on it. Now click on Python interpreter. Herein the packages we installed are visible. We installed pip numpy. So we need to install the pandas package. For that, click on the plus sign. After clicking, search pandas here. Here it is guys. It is a powerful data structure for data analysis, time series and statistics. The current version is the following, 1.2.3. Now you need to select this. We selected it before, so it is by default checked. You can select this and just click on install package. So we need an internet connection for this. Now the package will start installing. So guys, we installed Pandas successfully. Click on cross. Always remember guys, for installing Pandas, you need to first have pip and numpy. Pip is basically used to install and manage packages. So after installing pip, you need to install numpy. Then you need to go to Pandas. So guys, in this video we saw how we can install Pandas successfully on PyCharm IDE. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can install Matplotlib library on PyCharm IDE. So it's very easy. We have opened PyCharm. You can see we created a demo project and we added a code to it and we ran it. Now go to file and click on settings to reach the package section. So guys, we have reached settings. Go to project and click on Python interpreter to reach the package section. Now you can see guys, we already installed pip, pandas and numpy. Now we need to install Matplotlib. Click on the plus sign. type matplotlib. That's it. Here it is. It is a Python plotting package. Click on it and click on install package. You can select this option. I selected it before, so the same is visible here. Click on install package. You need an internet connection to install the package. So guys, we installed package Matplotlib successfully. Click on cross. So guys, now you can see we have installed Matplotlib. Now always remember, Numpy is a prerequisite for installing Matplotlib. So you can see here, when you'll try to uninstall by clicking minus on Numpy, it will say that Numpy package is required for Pandas and Matplotlib. So I'll click on no. So it is a prerequisite to install Numpy before installing Matplotlib. So guys, in this video we saw how we can install Matplotlib package on PyCharm IDE. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily install Seaborn package on PyCharm IDE. So it's very easy. So herein we created a demo project and added code to it and ran it successfully. Now go to the package section, go to files, click on settings. On clicking, go to Python project, click on it. Now click on Python interpreter. Now herein all the packages we installed are visible. So for Seaborn package, you need Numpy, Pandas, Matplotlib and SciPy. We installed all of them. To install all these libraries, we installed pip. Pip is used to install and manage packages. So we have everything. So to install Seaborn, click on plus and type Seaborn. Here it is. It is a statistical data visualization tool. Herein, click on install package. We checked it before, so the same is visible here. You can also install it to user side package directory. Click on install package. You need to have an internet connection to install it. Wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see package Seaborn installed successfully. Click on cross. Now let's say I'll try to uninstall Numpy. Click on minus to uninstall. It will say that for SciPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and Seaborn, Numpy is a mess, so do not uninstall it. This is what I told you before. So guys, in this video we saw how we can install Seaborn package on PyCharm IDE. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily install SciPy package on PyCharm IDE. So it's very easy. Let's go to the package section. Right now we created a sample project and added a code to it and we ran it successfully. Go to file and go to settings to reach the package section. Now we have reached the settings. Go to your project, click on Python interpreter. On clicking, now you can see the packages we installed here. So remember guys, to install SciPy, you need to install Numpy first because SciPy is based on Numpy. So here it is. Under SciPy official website, you can see SciPy library depends on Numpy. That means you need to install Numpy. So here it is, we installed Numpy. And to install Numpy, you need pip. So we have added all the links in the description of this video wherein you can learn how to install pip and Numpy. Now we need to install SciPy. Click on plus, write SciPy, and here it is. Click on it. You can see it is a scientific library for Python. Select this option. I selected it before, so the same is by default visible here. Click on install package. So we need an internet connection for this. Wait for a few seconds. So guys, we have installed package SciPy. Now click on it. Herein you can see SciPy is visible. So now when I'll try to click on Numpy and click on minus to uninstall it, you can see Numpy installation is a must for SciPy, Pandas and Matplotlib packages. That means if you will uninstall Numpy, SciPy, Pandas and Matplotlib won't work. So I'll click on no. So guys, in this video we saw what is necessary for installing SciPy library. Numpy is required. Guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily set up and install PyGame, which is a cross-platform set of Python modules designed for basically creating video games. Install the package PyGame so that we can work on creating video games. To install a package, what you need to do, go to File, here go to Settings. Under the settings, you need to select your project. If you remember, our project name was Python project. Here it is. On clicking here, you need to click on Python interpreter. Here you can see the packages we installed. We already have pip, which we installed by installing Python. Now to install a new package, click on plus here. On clicking plus, all the available packages are visible. Now here type PyGame. Here it is, Python game development version. Click here, install package now. Now the package is installing. Now guys, we have successfully installed it. Package PyGame installed successfully. Now click on cross. Now here you can see we have installed PyGame 2.0.0. Now click on OK. Now I'll remove this. To use PyGame, use the import keyword and PyGame. Press enter. On pressing enter, if there is no error, that means you have successfully installed it. Now let's initialize. Use pygame.init. Now you can begin with working on your PyGame program to code video games. So guys, in this video we saw how we can download and install the package PyGame. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can change the PyCharm IDE theme from light to dark. Herein the light theme is visible. If you want to change it to dark, go to open PyCharm IDE, go to file, click on settings. After clicking settings, you can see appearance and behavior is visible. Click on appearance here. On clicking, you can see the theme is visible, which is light. So for the dark theme, click on the Dracula. Click on it. On clicking, the theme will change. You can see now it is a dark theme. Since we did some changes, we need to click on OK. Just click on it. Herein you can see the dark theme is visible. Herein you can see the dark theme is visible, the entire theme. So we have successfully converted light theme to dark theme. So guys, in this video we saw how we can convert a light PyCharm IDE theme to dark theme. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can increase the font size on our PyCharm IDE. So herein you can see the menu size, the font on the menu, on the left, on the labels, you can easily increase it. How? Open PyCharm IDE, go to file, click on settings. On reaching settings, you can see appearance is visible. Click on it, click on appearance here. Now herein you can see the custom font. It's 14, you can set it to 18, let's say. Now I'll click on apply here. Then OK. Now you can see the font size of the entire PyCharm IDE, that is the menu, label, everything else is now increased. If you want to change the font size of the editor, let's say you print it here. Okay, now you can see the font size is really less. Now to change this font size, go to the file again, settings. Now herein go to editor, because we want to increase the font size of our editor. Go to editor, font, and from here you can change the font from 13 to let's say 17. Click on apply and click on OK. Now you can see the font size of the editor also got increased. So guys, in this video we saw how we can change any possible font on PyCharm IDE. We changed the editor font as well as the menu labels font. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can rename a Python project on PyCharm IDE. So it's very easy. Open the PyCharm IDE, then your Python project. Here it is. Let's say the following is the project, Amit Python project with 2 files. Let's say I need to change the name of the Python project. For that, right click on the project, click on refactor here and click on rename. Now it is asking, do you want to rename the directory or the project? I want to rename the project Amit Python project. Now let's say I will change it to Amit Python project 2021. Click on OK. Now you can see the project name is changed, but the directory is the same. I'll right click again and click on refactor and rename. Herein now I'll change the directory name, rename directory. Here it is. I'll change the directory to Amit Python project 2021 and click on refactor. It will take some time, and now you can see my directory of the project, you can see, is changed from Amit Python project to Amit Python project 2021, and the project name also got changed. If you want to change the file name, you can straight away right click on it and click on refactor again. Here it is, rename, and change it to demo. Let's say I'll set it to demo, from demo.py to demo1.py. I'll refactor it, and now you can see we have changed the file name also, the Python file name. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the name of the Python project as well as Python files on PyCharm IDE. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily change the font size of text editor in PyCharm IDE. For that, first open PyCharm, go to start, type PyCharm, click on it to open. Our previous project is visible. The font size is really less. Let's increase the font size. Go to file, click on settings. Go to editor. Here under editor, font is visible. Double click. Now our font is 13. We can change it to, let's say, 18. Here are the changes. Line spacing, you can also add line spacing. Click on apply, then OK. Now you can see the font size increased. So in this small video we saw how we can easily increase the font of text editor in PyCharm IDE. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily upgrade any Python library on PyCharm IDE. So here is our PyCharm IDE. Let's first go to our libraries, that is which all libraries we have installed. Go to file, click on settings. From here in guys, you need to go to project. From here you can see project structure is visible. Click on Python interpreter. After clicking, now you can see it is loading the packages we have installed. Herein you can see all the packages are here. We have installed a lot of packages. Now let's say we need to search for any library we have installed. So here it is. Go to here. Let's say I am searching for Pandas, and here it is. Herein you can see when you'll go here, Pandas is visible and an arrow mark is visible. That means an upgrade is visible. So how I got to know about this? The current version is 1.2.3 in the Pandas and the latest version is 1.3.3. So that means it needs an upgrade. The same is visible for some other libraries also. Now to upgrade it, what I need to do, I just need to keep the cursor here. Now just click on the following. The sign means upgrade. I'll just click on it. You need an internet connection to upgrade your library. You can see 1.2.3, it will upgrade to 1.3.3. I'll just click on upgrade. Now herein you can see guys, package Panda successfully upgraded. Now I'll just search for, herein you can see, I'll type Pandas, and now you can see it has been upgraded from 1.2.3 to 1.3.3. Same is visible here. In the same way you can also upgrade this Matplotlib. You just need to look for the upgrade sign. Wherever upgrade sign is visible, that means there is an update is visible. You can check from here and just upgrade it. After that, click on OK. That's it. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily upgrade any package or library on PyCharm IDE. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can uninstall any package or library on PyCharm IDE. So here it is. Here is a PyCharm IDE. Let's first go to the section wherein all the libraries and packages are visible. Go to file, click on settings, Now the settings section is visible. From here you go to your project. So our project right now is Python project. Here it is, Python project, and the same is visible. Click on it. On clicking, go to Python interpreter. Now you can see all the packages we installed on our system are visible. Now let's say we need to remove any of them. So to remove it, just click on the package. Let's say we need to remove the Numpy package. Just click on it and click on minus. It will uninstall. You can see uninstall is visible. After that, the package won't be visible here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily delete any package or library on PyCharm IDE. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily update our PyCharm IDE. So here is our PyCharm IDE. We have opened it. To update it, go to help. Herein click on check for updates. Now if there will be an update, it will be visible here. So we have the following update. Click on it. You can see we have to update it. Just click on update and restart. Now it will update, as you can see here. Click on it and you can see the update is visible. It will download the patch files and it will update PyCharm IDE. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily update our PyCharm IDE on Windows 10. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.